So here I am at the Clitonville Park, ready to see the fireworks. So, it's so hyped. Nice. I see my sister right over there, giving me this weird look on her face. I'm so funny.
You filming?
I'm just saying, I'm so funny.
Huh?
I'm so funny. Honestly, my mom's here at the stand making lemonade, though. Coconut ice, my dad. And
Let me get that. I need that. I want that.
get it.
Oh, I'm gonna take that.
I bet you have to be like a very good voice actor at like annual video game cartoon villains.
In the red and black shorts, weighing 180 pounds, from Newark, New Jersey. Kristen Martin. I knew we wasn't no good.
Oh, you would go so viral in like video games and TV shows. Literally, you would go so viral. Honestly, there's a good place.
You trying to get a corn yet, partner? You trying to get a corn yet? I'm over here sweating, working hard, man. Support me, man. You must support me. You gotta support me, bro. Okay, I'm able to keep it going with the games and the two niggas.
Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time for more. Bye.